Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a video using AI. So you can use any AI site you want. This is the Leonardo site, and then you can go to the video section here. Here is where you can basically generate your videos. For instance, this is the prompt for it. You can also get prompts from You can also get prompts from ChatGPT. Sorry, I'm like out of my mind sometimes. And you're just going to paste your prompt here. You're going to select generate. You can also then press video. You can also adjust the motion control here. There's bullet time, crane down, and etc. etc. Motion elements as well. And you can also enhance the prompt, and then you can get the styles here. Then you can just select generate. Unfortunately, I cannot generate because I don't have enough. As you can see, I only have 150 tokens, and you'll need 200 tokens to generate a video. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.